Where do you see AI kind of taking us?
And what we've done is we built machine learning models for each make model of vehicle so that we can take the data that we've either purchased or our internal data and then spit out a really accurate market price for that vehicle.
Right.
Really hard to do that. A lot of humans would have to be able to be at computers trying to do that. And so that's where we've leveraged and harnessed data. And when I think about what happens in the next 5 to 10 years, we haven't even scratched the surface around the use cases for AI. And I think people obviously know ChatGPT and some of these other tools, but we're in in terms of consumer adoption, year 2 or 3.
Right.
If you think about what consumer adoption for the internet was in year 2 or 3, which was like the late 90s, early 2000s, right? Like back then, the use cases for the internet were a fraction of what they actually are because we haven't in what those use cases are. And so I think I draw that analogy to AI because sure, there's a few use cases. You can automate like customer interactions. There's some of the video technologies. I think in 5 years, we spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to produce a TV commercial. I think there's going to be incredible cost savings. I think there's going to be some really interesting use cases, but I couldn't even tell you what that is or what those will be because, if you and I were sitting here having this conversation back in 1999 or 2000 and talking about what the potential things for the internet would be, I don't know. I wouldn't have said that you can order ride sharing on an app.